the journey of a humble tropical fruit, from the bountiful field to the precision of the factory, and finally,
it all starts here, in the hot, humid climate of the tropics.
Modern farming focuses on specific varieties, chosen for their pulp yield and quality.
These fruits must reach peak size before harvest begins.
For processing, the fruit is often harvested slightly underripe, just 15 to 25% color change.
Every step is monitored to guarantee consistent raw material quality.
Harvesting is a delicate task, often done by hand to prevent bruising.
Bruising can lead to rapid deterioration and must be strictly avoided.
Rapid transport is essential to lock in freshness and slow the natural ripening process.
The next stop, the modern factory floor.
Incoming fruit is logged, confirming the weight and source. Quality control starts immediately, ensuring only sound fruit enters the facility.
Fruits with defects are removed to protect the quality of the final product.
First, a powerful wash, often using a sanitized water bath with air bubbles.
This removes all dust, dirt, and foreign materials from the skin.
Final sorting and spot checking under bright light confirms cleanliness.
The exterior is clean, and now the processing machines take over.
Speed and sanitation are paramount in this high-volume environment. This facility can process thousands of tons of fruit monthly. Automated machinery swiftly removes the thick, inedible skin.
The seeds and skin are separated for potential use in byproducts or disposal.
The flesh is mashed and sent through a refining screen, the pulping process.
This step ensures an ultra-smooth puree, free of any remaining fiber or specks. Next, enzyme deactivation, a quick heat treatment to stabilize the color and flavor. A brief heating to 92 degrees Celsius or higher prevents unwanted breakdown by papain.
The decision point, is this going to be puree or concentrate?
To create concentrated puree, excess water must be gently removed. Inside the evaporator, pressure is reduced, allowing water to boil off at a low temperature.
This method preserves the natural color, nutrients, and fresh taste.
Final quality control checks confirm the concentrate meets precise industrial specifications.
The last major step is sterilization, eliminating all microorganisms.
For candied desserts like Tutti Frutti, a different path is taken.
A lime or calcium treatment firms the texture for a perfect chewiness.
The candying process involves several stages of soaking and cooking in increasingly concentrated sugar syrup.
This is where the famous colorful candy gets its look and flavor.
The candied fruit is dried in controlled ovens to remove moisture and lock in the sugar.
The final product is ready for delivery to bakeries and ice cream makers.
For jams and preserves, the product is sealed hot to ensure a vacuum and perfect preservation.
From a tropical seed to a staple dessert ingredient, the modern factory ensures safety, quality, and flavor.